Good morning, YouTube. Thanks for joining me, Cameron Simpson, CS Trades 101. We're doing pretty good today. Look at the pre-market here. I'm just going to set a couple things up. I'm not a financial advisor or a broker. This is for entertainment purposes only. And thanks for joining me this morning, Wolfpack. Give me about 2 minutes, and we're going to hit the market before it opens. I'm just going to set up a couple servers here, and drop me a chat if you can hear everything okay. Everything's working out good for you. Wow, it's doing pretty good, guys. We're actually sitting higher than I thought. What would I say before? 4.27 in the green, 4.27, 285, 28. We're getting a lot of volume coming in through right now, guys. Beautiful. This is what we wanted. Yeah, for a Monday. We're hitting at $13.51 as soon as that bell rings. I'm liking it. I'm liking it and liking it. I'm liking it for a Monday. Oh, loud and clear. Thanks, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Cheers. Coffee. There's no Baileys in here. Not yet. vape. Vape to start the morning off because I'm friggin' beat, man. I only got like, as you can see, that video was launched. Oh, mine was launched like 3 hours ago. I'm so tired. The things I do for you guys, but it's all good, man, because things are getting close here. I have a good feeling. I'll know after about, I'd say about 8 o'clock. I'll know more about what's going on. We'll crunch some numbers and we'll do a live analysis here. We're at 5%. We're just racketeering. We're racking 516, 58. That's a lot of volume. That's a big jump back and forth, guys. Okay, we got 1 minute before the bell rings. Any questions or anything? You guys want to drop a chat? Any questions? Fast questions? Like, you have to make it really fast. Oh, it just opened. Never mind. Market just opened. We're hitting $13.66, 61 cents, 60 cents in between. Oh, look at the volume coming in. Oh my God. Yeah. Holy Jesus. I got to stop swearing because my channel's getting close to having where they're going to start actually monitoring it more because they're going to be putting, sorry guys, commercials and crap in it. It's just part of the payment arrangements when you hit 1,000. I'll try removing as many as I can. But it's trying to sell off. But it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Well, G-Bags. Vendetta. Good to join us here today, man. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Hopefully, hopefully you guys took the advantage to. Holy shit! Look at this buy-in. Holy crap! Wow. Yeah. This is not a dead bag, man. This is very positive stock, man. I don't give a crap what anybody's. Wow, guys, we could be hitting into a gamma squeeze here. Look at this go. Holy Jesus. This could potentially build up. We already built the foundation. If we hit over $14.20, we could hit a gamma squeeze here, guys. Not a squeeze, not the full squeeze, a gamma squeeze, a baby squeeze. You never know. A gamma squeeze can turn into a full squeeze. Look at this go. We're racking on 7. We are hitting 7% and we're only 1 minute in. 1 minute after the bell rings and we're over 7%. We're hitting 725, 750. Holy crap. Holy crap. Look at all the fucking volume coming in here. Ho ho ho. Yeah, AMC. Wolfpack. Ooh. Yeah. This is very good. Very good. Oh, we're only at Monday. Wow. No kidding. G-Bags. Fucking let's pump. No shit, it's pumping itself, bro. I bought some shares this morning. I should have done it online. I want to test something out. I want to see what I would be put on, where it would show up, how much I would have to pay. I'm doing a test. It was only one share. I wanted to do something to see if it's true my thesis on not to buy after hours. We'll check it in a bit. It hasn't even been filled yet, man. That's how much volume's going through here. Okay, so let's get into this here. Let's get into this. Did we break? We got to break 1433, guys, today. That's what we got to do. We got to get over this line, line of resistance here at $14. Yes. Yeah, we got to get up here. That's what our goal is today, my friends. And we can do it. We're going to 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 do it. We're on our way. We're doing it right now. Okay, so let's have a look here. Ooh, look at those lines are ready to cross over. Yeah, we're having some good consolidation here, man. It tried twice to red candle us. This is the second time, and it drove it back to a green. Holy shit. Oh, this is what we want, man. This is what we want. 8%. 830, 845. Yeah. AMC. Yes. 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 $9. We're cranking on $9. Or 9%. Sorry, guys. Correction. Oh, 9%. 9%. We're going to hit it. We're going to hit it, guys. I want it. I don't want it. I want this to stop for a second and can move over and consolidate. Or else we're going to have problems here. Fuck, it didn't. Yeah, here we go. This is, we want this, guys. We want a little bit of a sell-off. Okay, that's enough. Now it needs to jump to green. If we don't have that, that's not good. That means that it could go right back down. We need to build a little bit more volume to slam it right through the 1433. We're 9 cents, or that my math, I can't even think about it, with 14 cents off. This is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is what we want. This is what we want. This is what we want. Wow, this sure put me in a good mood this morning, man. I was a little tired. I'm wide awake now. Ooh, you gotta like it. What was it? Starbucks pre-crushed coffee beans first thing in the morning. I love the smell. That's not a sell-off. What's happening, by the way? That is Hedgie shitting their pants, wondering what the fuck did. Oh, wondering what the crap just happened. Sorry, I gotta watch the swearing, man, because they won't let me monetize my channel if I'm swearing in it. So we're gonna have to think of some cool words and stuff that I can say that we know that means frig, ick. I'll come up with something. And sorry about the window opening here, man. It's very hot, and it's already 6:35 in the morning a.m. If you hear the traffic, you got to bear with it. If it's too bad, just drop me a chat and just say, hey, Cam, man, this is fucking retarded, man. You got to close the window. So I don't know. I can set the threshold on my mic and stuff. I don't know really about how to do that stuff. But if you guys really need me to start reading, I'm just really busy with you guys, man. You guys tie up. My wife's going to divorce me here. Joking. But, wow, $8 or 8%. Come on, we got to go 30 more cents. Well, we got to get over it, 35 more cents. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. So what's happening right now is the floodgates have opened. All the apps are dumping stock right now. Let's have a look down here. Oh, we're crushing them. We're friggin' well crushing them. Look at this. Look at this. There's nothing coming. They're going to do a ladder attack, and they're going to get sued again, which is fine. They'll pick up probably $500,000 worth of fines today. It's fine. Keep on getting fined, you pieces of crap. But yeah, it's fine. They'll pick up $500,000, maybe $1 million worth of fines today. That's what happens. They'll ladder attack it, and then they'll get fined, and then they'll just do it in waves, and then another hedge firm will do it, and they'll speed trade back and forth. That's what they do. They just fucking really fast. But there's too much volume coming in to do that. It'll just bite them in the ass. I can tell when they're doing a ladder attack. This isn't a ladder attack right now, man. There's probably a lot of people that were long on this that are fed up. Hoping nobody sold their sell limits at 14, man. Because when it hit 14, it's weird we had to sell off exactly. No, it went past. It went about 14.20. So that wouldn't have been it. Here we go. This is fine, man. This is fine. We have a whole day ahead of us. Oh, that jumped up pretty good. Yeah, they might. It's all good. I gotta flip this phone around. It's annoying me flipping in my eyes here. Oh, did you guys Did you guys enjoy? I seen one person said that class was very good. Did you guys enjoy the classroom time on the weekends? Or if you haven't had a chance to watch it, you should watch those videos I put out. I think I put, yeah, you put two. Usually only I put one, but I put two just because I like you guys. But you should know the basics. If it's too dumb for you, like dumbed down, just wait a little bit. I'm gonna get into some really, really in depth stuff. Like where I think we've only covered like 6 symbols, and we still got like I think there's 42, and then there's a whole bunch of other stuff to go along with it for stock trading. So the classroom thing is we do on weekends. We'll do classroom time, learning time, I call it, right? Classroom time. So on weekends, what we do is on this channel, we just started doing it a couple weeks ago, is I teach you guys. Well, actually, you teach yourself. I give you the information, and you guys teach yourself. I just put it on the screen. And and the last video is a pre-recorded. Sometimes I'll put a video up because there's this chick on there that explains it. She does mess up. She sort of knows what she's talking about. She did a pretty good job. I caught one error, so I had to stop it and correct it. It's just the way she has it. She has a nice voice. I don't know, my voice is kind of raspy. So she's a good narrator. So what I did was put her video on there, and credits go to them, right, for their video. It wasn't copyrighted, so I'm entitled to use it. So even if it was, I'd actually ask for permission and just post a link that if they would accept it, that all the credits go to them. So here and there, we're back at $13.93, 92 cents, and 7.45 above. It's changing so fast, guys. We're hitting 8% again. See what I mean? We need the consolidation. We got to build the volume. We've already traded 21 million. 21 million in 9 minutes. Jesus Christ. Wow, this could be our best day yet, guys. This could be our best day yet. We've already overturned 4.76% of the whole pot, the whole thing. That is synthetic shares too. I cannot believe this thing has so many ghost and synthetic shares, and that means fraudulent, like illegal. They're shares that don't matter. So when this thing does account. And in the last video, I want to clear some stuff out, whoever's on there. My last video, I got a little bit of negative feedback, which I don't really care. If you don't like it, then see ya. This is my channel, and this is the Wolfpack. We have thick skin here. And I do want to say one thing. People on my chat thing, bagging on other people. You can do it to me personally. I can take it. Okay, you can call me any name in the world. I can take it. But don't be talking. I'm not saying anybody in the Wolfpack, but people that stop in our channel, anybody that does any negative bashing on any of my my friends on here, because we're all one pack, right? We're the Wolfpack, right? So anybody or any other channels that we're involved with, you're gone. You're blocked permanently. And I can do that. I can find where your server is coming from, not through YouTube. I have software to do that. I'll block you permanently from everything. I'll shut your computer down from my server. Okay, you'll never log back on. Okay, so enough of that. I don't like being mean like that. It's just that I don't like being people put down, especially when women are on here talking and stuff. They're learning, and a lot of us are learning, and I don't like it when people put people down. It's bullying, and it's unacceptable, especially in this day and age. We're adults here. Okay, enough whining. Enough whining, Cameron. Stop frigging whining. So, and I do have multiple screens set up here. Not that I'm ignoring everybody. Everybody knows that's watched this before. We do have our shit together here. We have got another 65-inch TV coming up here above us. I'll maybe show you a shot today of we got this awesome studio here. We're just in the midst of building it right now. So I just got to check any frame drops. Nope, no frame drops this morning. Woo, this new software is working really good. Yeah, you guys got good yeah, you got good sound, eh? So anyways, we are at $14. Okay. Enough of AMC here. We're going to jump around. We do jump around here, but AMC is our main goal. Any other guys? Do you want me to check out any other stocks here? I am going to check out GME. I'm going to pull it up here. And if you want me to check out anything else that you guys have stocks on, it doesn't matter. I can always put a ticker symbol in there, and we can have a quick look at it, and I can give you what my opinion is on it. Remember that. Take that with a grain of salt. You don't do diligence on it. Okay? Actually, GME is sitting at positive 1.7 in the green, 1.81. Okay? And it pretty much opened about the same. It was like a little bit higher the high of the day. So they had a little bit of a rush this morning, just like we did. 0.48% of the overturn. There's nowhere near the amount of volume on this. This stock could potentially squeeze too. They do have a pretty good record. So if you do hold this stock, I know a lot of us do. I don't. It's a little bit too expensive for me at the time. Right now we could afford it, but I'm not going to jump in something like right now, like this. I don't. Not that I don't like what I see. I just don't like what the company did by diluting it with shares like that without really telling anybody. And they dumped them all at once that one day. That was not cool. Whoever did that was not educated. You don't do that. You do it in the middle of a squeeze and you keep on dropping little bits, chunks in there so it doesn't screw over anybody. Okay, guys? So, look at, sorry, it's hard to see off this new laptop. There's a lot of glare coming off that window. Is that ticker symbol EXP? I can't, EXPI? Never. Okay, we'll try it. Hopefully that's your ticker. I don't see anything here, man. Oh. No, that can't be it. You're going to have to explain what the company it is and then put ticker symbol there. Indy. I like your name, bro. Indy. I don't know. I'm not going to say last names because I'm really bad at that. Like I am a wolf, man. I'm a silverback wolf here. So I am a little bit older and, I just don't want to disrespect anybody. A lot of people get upset. Not that much on this channel because I know us wolves got strong, thick skin, right? I'm going to jump into some microvision here. I like this today. This is fine. What's happening here today? This is fine. Obviously, we got to bust through that line up here to do anything today, right? And I really can't see it happening with this stock. I think we're at a consolidation level where it's going to do a lot of sideways action here. It's got to get more volume. You need way more volume because there's nothing coming in here, guys. Okay, so I am going to jump into microvision. I know some of the ladies on here have some microvision. I don't either. I know a lot of people have it, obviously, because they've already turned 1% of it, which is pretty good. Yeah, we got a little bit of volume going through here. Okay, so let me jump in on this. This is ticker symbol MVIS. MVIS, guys. Okay, we got a little bit of a I wouldn't say a sell off. I'd say more like a swappage here. I do have documentary on this. This thing was a ladder attack about a week ago. We had full documentation. If you want to go back into the videos and look under ladder attack under microvision, you could actually see it. It was waving. It'd go wrong way. That's not the correct way. Ladder attack, and then I'd right by the seconds. I'd go. They're gonna stop, and then all of a sudden, it would shoot right up, and then ladder attack up, 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 and you could actually see this chart on the side right here was going. Woof, woof. I've never in my whole life seen anything like that, man. So you might want to check out. That's a lot where there's very few people in the world that catch a live ladder attack on film, and we are one of them. We got a major hits on that video too, by the way. So, anyways, I just got to read some Vendetta here. What's up, brother? Thanks for all the messages earlier. You're up early, hey, my friend. You are giving something that no other teaches. You have to spend $4,000 to learn stock. I thank you, bro. Yeah, it's really expensive. A lot of these YouTubers will ask you to join a Discord and to pay like super chats. We are gonna have super chats here. I'm not allowed to do it until I hit 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours. We are new. We're only, I think, 20 or 38 days old, man. We're 480% above average on our growth. Okay, I'm just blown away. I'm not gonna. And thank you everybody that's subscribed. I'm not going to, we are giving, yeah, I'm trying to give everything, stuff that other people don't. I know the schooling is very expensive. A lot of these people won't teach you anything. You have to remember, it's all by DD, and this is for educational purposes, okay? If you follow me, you might get rich. I don't know, something like that, right? So, I think you guys know that, but do your own DD, and I can't really tell you what to do. I can just show you what I do. Right? That's why I show it on my screen. You watch it and you do whatever you want to do, right? Okay, off of microventure, we're going to jump back up to the baby cakes. Baby cakes. What do we got here? Hi. Okay. Yeah, that's beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ooh. We are testing. Wow, that was close. Oh, that was close. What's wrong with this new computer? Give me a second, guys. Oh, some other chat. Oh, some other tubers are online here. Do. Yeah, why is this fucking screen all fucking up here, man? What the fuck? Pardon my language. Sorry, guy. What the hell is this all about? Oh, there we go. What? I'm having a bad feed on this computer here. I don't know about Hewlett Packard, man. Junk. Brand new laptop sitting here. What the hell? I'm getting a lost frame here. There we go. There we go. I got it back. I got it back. We've only been on 21 minutes. Oh, I've got 8 viewers on this one server. We got, holy crow, we got 150 on Reddit. Reddit is not connected, guys, to our chat. Our chat is our chat. I don't have the software to connect. I don't know if I will, or else you guys will never be able to talk to me. It'll be right on. Good. Hold. If it was me, I would not be selling this. You guys would be crazy to sell this. I can't tell you what to do, but listen to Vendetta. He definitely knows what I'm talking about. Okay, just look what he said. What he said. I'm personally going to do, right? I like I said, everybody has their own things. Like, what if your mortgage payment's coming up, and you have no money because of COVID, on and on and on. It's okay to sell a little bit of your cheese, eh? Give some cheese away, right? Just don't give it to any rats, okay? Don't be giving it, because you are selling back to the hedge funds, okay? If you do sell your shares right now, they're going right into the hedge fund, and it makes it worse for all of us. But you have to concentrate and look after yourself, okay? I just want to give you what the downfall is and what it does to the rest of us. If you do sell, it does screw us, okay? It screws all of us, okay? But, right, I can't tell you what to do. I personally won't be selling. When I sell, it'll be done online. Live. We'll be pushing the sell button. All of it dumped. Okay, like I said, you're gonna be, if you're on my channel, and this is the other bad negative stuff that I got feedback. And sorry, I tried to remove all the bad comments, but sometimes they stayed on there for about 20 minutes before I could get them. I was up for, look what I did to my hand. I don't know if you can see that. It's cut right to the bone, eh? It was supposed to go, there's blood everywhere. That's like the third bandit. That happened 3 days ago. And it opened it right up when I was doing some yard work. So I'm supposed to be at the hospital. My wife is just freaking. I opened it up the other day and it's just right to the bone. It was gross, but we're wolves, man. We're wolves. We can take that. I just sewed it back. Or I never sewed it. Sorry, I'm bullshitting you. I just threw some glue, crazy glue on it and shoved her back together. So we'll see. We'll open it up today. I'm not worried about that, man. I'm worried about this. I'm not worried about the stock, but I like to get. So, perfect. This is beautiful. This is frigging beautiful. We're already in. I thought we were gonna do a dip by now. I don't like to pre-cast stuff that isn't factual information. I just keep it to myself because I don't like fear mongering. Okay, there's enough of that on 99% of these friggin' YouTube channels. There's fear mongering. There's bullshit. There's fucking they don't know how to teach. And the 2% are the good guys. I class them as the good guys. There's about 6 of them. You know who they are. Okay, guys, I'm not throwing names. We don't do that on this channel. It's the same as bullying. Oh, back to what I was talking about. And I'm just going to do the ticker symbol. AMC Entertainment Holdings at $13.88. Right now, we're $7.16 above average. We are in the green. And thanks for joining me here today. This is Cameron Simpson, CS Trades 101, the Wolf Pack. And guys, thanks for keeping it real. Because you're here. And one night, all of us are going to get drunk, okay? If you drink, we're going to have a big party online here, okay? Yeah, we're going to get all shit-faced here one night, man. Once this thing gets going a little bit better here, I'll sit down and drink a little bit. One morning, I'll get drunk in the morning with you guys. I've never done it unless I'm camping. Right, but what I'll do is just we'll do it for power hour. I can't drink in the morning. I'm too old, man. I'm 45 years old now. I'm probably older than all you guys out there. I'm definitely a silverback. Looks like a bull flag forming. Ooh, somebody knows what they're talking about. Okay, bull flag could be a trap. It's not a good sign. Okay. Let's see. Oops, shit. Oh, fuck. Ah. Fuck. Oh, I messed that up. Okay, I give up this morning. Too early, guys. Okay, I'm having problems. I have been having problems with Webull. I think I don't know the software. So what I'm trying to do is draw a line down to intersect here. So that's what we're going to do is we're going to draw a bull flag to see it was actually a bull flag. And I think my friend's right there. No matter what, hold. Don't be selling. And yes, listen to JBeck. Right on, buddy. YouTube right now, you guys are on. I love you guys. You make me laugh, man. This is what this is all supposed to be about. But a bull flag is usually a trap, okay? And usually the signs are to pull out. And I don't like talking like that on here, and we're not going to pull out. Like, it's just crazy. That's just crazy, crazy, crazy. It looks like a bull flag, but it looks like it's changing right now. We're getting too much consolidation for that. There's too much volume coming in. Yeah. See, we're hitting. If we hold above this range right now, it won't be a bull flag trap. Okay. It's smashing through it right now, anyways. But yeah, you were setting yourselves up for one for sure. Michael, right on, brother. Sorry for saying that. My buddy's name is pronounced like that, and he's pure Italian. In the house, God of Wolves. Yeah. Okay, $13.95. AMC Entertainment Holdings, which is a movie chain in the States and I guess all over the world. China, yeah, they're the biggest in the world. And now they are the biggest, and they're not in bankruptcy protection anymore. It is off the table because of us retail investors. And these platforms, like what we're doing right now, we are building a huge pack here, guys. We got listen to this, 666 wolves, man. Vicious, frigging hungry wolves that will eat Hedgie like that. Okay? Last time I looked, we were sitting at kind of a little bit, I'm Christian, so I look at the thing this morning at 666 on the subs. I'm like, oh, okay, that's it has to be good, but it's just funny. Oh, somebody got held for review of their message. I don't know. I never said any words up, man. I'm just gonna leave that on there because I don't care. It's blocked. I never set up. On YouTube, you can set up your own. Like if somebody swears, you can put it so mod comes in and does it. That's just YouTube. That's nothing to do with me. I don't care if you swear on there. I just have to watch it because we're getting monetized pretty soon here, and the channel is. I've already got a message from them that we're like 400 something percent above average, which is odd. That's you guys, man. That's nothing to do with me. And I'm just being the wolf pack, man. I'm just being a silverback here, trying to be an old wolf, crippled wolf. Oh, here comes the rain. Here comes the rain, guys, in Vancouver, British Columbia. Okay, so you guys want me to cover anything else here? Drop me a chat. Drop me a chat. We got about an hour this morning, and we're gonna shut her down, and then we're gonna be back at 11:30 for Power Hour. I always go longer than an hour, just because it takes a while to get all pumped up and stuff. Yeah, there's a lot of people selling right now, which is fine. Whatever, it is what it is. The tables will turn. We don't know if that's them screwing around down here. See, I wish I had the software to crunch these numbers. Like, somebody that has, they're really smart at this. Not dyslexic, that's me. I spell shit backwards. Like if I say ACM and stuff, that's me, dude. I do have issues like that. I've always had that as a kid, and that's probably why I'm so good at these numbers and figuring this shit out. Right? I guess it's what do you call that? Not dyslexic. We spell stuff backwards sometimes. I forget what it's called. Anyways, too early in the morning. But I do have that a bit. I'm honest, man. I do have defaults. I am a crepid wolf a bit, but that helps me in a lot of other ways, man. That's like I've made some good business moves because of it. So, So what's going on? Did you get blocked? Did somebody get blocked here because of this green dildos? Okay, I got it right now. We're gonna show this. We're not gonna block. I don't block stuff here. There you go. Sorry about that, man. I don't know if you were permanently blocked because of that until I cleared that. But yeah, I won't say the word on there, but if you want to read the chat, then that's frigging hilarious, man. Frigging hilarious. Too bad you couldn't throw some pickles up. Oh, we are good? Okay, good. I just want to make sure you're not blocked off my channel because of YouTube. They are monitoring these things big time because of kids, and that's why I got to watch what I'm saying, right? Yeah, I do see this. Look at this. Perfect. We did come out of the bull trap, by the way, guys. We were back here. We came out. Okay, as soon as it started going up, we're out. Because the consecuting lines will get into school on the weekends. Probably about another 2-3 weeks ahead, we will get into that stuff. We'll get into channeling, how you channel. You're going to channel this, okay? So it'd be like, I know it makes no sense. I won't even talk about it because it'll just confuse you guys. I don't want to confuse you guys where you're all fed up and like, oh, I want out of here. I'm not doing that. So this is beautiful. Please understand we are fighting. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, man. This is the future. This is making history. It already has. These numbers have never been done before, man. Not this. This thing's done some weird, crazy ass, poopy stuff, man, in a good way, right? Yes, this. If you're part of this, which you are, obviously, you're a part of a movement, and a lot of people can laugh, but it's been on the news lately, and a lot of people that used to laugh at us, they're the idiots, not us. Right? Yeah, the volume is insane. It is insane, man. It is insane. Trying to break up here. Trying to break up here. I don't understand what you're saying, brother. I don't understand, Wolf, man. I don't understand. You have to talk to me in Wolf talk here. Sounds like you're a little bit younger than me. You have to dumb it down for me, man. I'm a little bit retarded. You have to remember I'm an old silverback here. So, let's go look at some volume coming in here. Oops, let's jump over here. We had almost a half mil sell up, but we're getting, can't stop swearing. I got to put a moderator on myself. We're getting a lot of volume. Ooh, over 1.5 million shares almost. Wow. Yeah, they're going to have problems ladder attacking this today. We got to get over that $14, like 14. Hang on a second. Mr. Simpson. Relax. You're getting under control. Here, this will help. So let me drink some coffee here. So yeah, about the schooling, I got all sideways about the schooling on the weekends. You guys are welcome yourself to join the podcast. They are not live. They're not live, and if you have questions, just drop them down in the chat. Not in the chat because it's not live, but down in the comments, and I will answer them for you. Okay, what's going on here? Indicators. That's what we want. Pivot points. Okay, yeah, I knew it. Okay, for today, we're already smashing off the friggin' first line of resistance here. That R1 means resistance line 1. This is par. Okay, I'm gonna give you some schooling for the day. I know you guys probably know this, but to anybody that isn't, that is new, I always throw, if you watch me before, you already know what I'm doing. I'm already throwing free education in, okay? And just, if you don't like it, then, I don't know, push the mute button. But I like to teach, and you will become very rich, all of you, okay? Okay, I'm not promising that. I'm just telling you that's I am. I became very well off in the last 6 months, and that's why I'm doing everything for free. That's why the schooling's free. That's why everything, I don't charge for anything right now, okay? Not right now. There will be super chats and stuff down the road and tip jars, but I'm not going to be pushing some of the channels. I'm not going to tell you unless you sub or unless you super chat me. Like, nah, we don't do that crap. Okay, so what we need to do is bust through. Let's line this up. So we need to get through $15.07. I can't really see that today unless we go into a bit of a gamma squeeze like we did the other day. That was a gamma squeeze, okay? That could potentially turn into a full out squeeze. Okay, it squoze a bit, but it was a gamma squeeze. It was just a lot of volume coming in, and it was tripping. It was tripping itself. I'm surprised it didn't trip a circuit breaker. We had so much volume coming in the other day. Insane, but that's going to be happening that's happening right now. Holy crow, is it ever? We already got 41.6 million shares in a half an hour, in 32 minutes. In 32 minutes. Thanks for the subscription there, guys. Just seen a bunch come in. Thank you very much. You bumped this off of 666. 666 was our thing. But yeah, we, like I said, a 400 and some odd % increase in the last 2 days. Like, I almost fell off my chair when I got the stats back, and they sent me stats every couple days, right? And yeah, man, thank you guys. And that's for you guys. Like, you guys are gonna get a lot what I can do out of here. I'll teach you everything I know, and you know that this is educational purposes. You take that with a grain of salt. Everything I teach, you know what I'm saying, right? That. Just so I can't get sued. It's for entertainment purposes only. Okay, so let's get off of here, Mr. Simpson. Retarded wolf. Okay, I do want to. We already got the lines up there. We're going to get into these lines. We'll get into these lines. I'm not going to get into discussing them anymore, but when one crosses over the other, it's a sell-off. When the other one crosses over the other one, it's a buy. They're indicators. They're just guidelines. If you have your app loaded on your phone ready to go, like when I tell you, when you guys get an SOS on the screen, okay? SOS, buy, that's your signal to buy, man. If you're subscribed to this channel, you will get that. And that means, guys, get that friggin' phone open. And this is up to you what you do. I can't tell you what to do, but I'm going to be doing it right on the phone live, it's only going to be like a 30 minute video. Or 30 seconds, sorry. And you'll be seeing me kunk, and that will be it. I've already buy, but when I say it's squeezing, that's what I meant to say. You're going to get a thing saying SOS, squeeze started, okay? And it could last up to a couple weeks, guys. And you have to remember, when I sell, that's up to you what you guys do. Okay, I can't tell you what to do. And if I sell and it goes up another 200% or $100 per share, can't shoot me in the foot, because it's all documented all the way through that this is what I'm doing. You guys do your own stuff. But don't get caught holding that friggin' bag, man. You don't want to get too greedy. Okay? Just going off of whatever, right? And I could sell early and screw myself. I've done it a couple times before. Not screwed myself, but I could have potentially made more money. But when those indicators of my everything and my gut tells me to sell, I will be selling. This is Wolfpack's money. This is for charity and stuff, man. I'm only taking a percentage of it, and we will be traveling around and donating money together. I'll introduce my wife, and yeah. So, is there? Okay, Michael, is there a good site to watch after hours? What do you mean, my friend? Like for price action? Like to find, oh, look at this. Sorry, that just caught my eye. Whoa, 9%. Whoa, we're banging off 9% now. Guys, we're going to do this today. Holy shit. That's what I'm talking about. They got let up on a ladder attack. Something happened. They got caught, and they had to stop what they're doing. So that's what I mean when that's suspicious. In a good way. We love it. But that jumped up fast. So obviously, we're going to do it, man. We fucking just did it. We need 3 more. We just broke that line of resistance back from back here. We just did it. We just broke through. We just did it, guys. We just broke through. Yes, we just broke through. We just busted through the line of resistance. Let's go back here. There it was. $14, man, and 33. We did it. We frigging did it. Wolfpack. Woo! We did it. Yeah, we did it. Yes, we busted through it. We have a new goal. We smashed through that, and we did pretty good, man. We got rejected, but we got rejected higher, man. We got rejected like about 0.5% higher, which is good. It's all good, man. This is all steps. Now we got a new target goal. Now it's harder to get knocked down because we have new support levels. So, Michael, what do you mean after hours, bro? I can't read your mind, brother Wolf. So after hours, like you mean to watch like after hours, like trading, like because this thing does pre and post and pre. Is that what you mean? So you can see what's going on. Because Webull you can set up like that. I don't have it set so the chart does it. I was gonna leave my computer on 24 hours a day on like 4 ticker symbols, but it's really not worth it. You can just log on to Webull anytime. You can just download it. That's the platform, guys. Sorry, I should announce that. I use Webull. It's really easy to use. The TD Bank has one too. It's crap, especially the one up in Canada. I use Webull, or you can use Yahoo Trades. I used to use that one. I use that one to keep track of my money, and it spits you out at the end of the day at like after hours, about a half an hour later. It'll do a number crunch, and it'll tell you how much money, how much percentage, how much you made, how much you lost, all in one text or email, whatever you have it set up to. It will send you everything. Right, and you can set it up to it's a simulator, but you can actually, and you can put your own numbers into it too, of what shares you own, when you bought them, how much you paid for them, and it'll just crunch everything for you. Look at this step ladder, man. Beautiful. That's what you want to see. So what this is, oh no, never mind, I changed it. If this was red right here, this would be 3 soldiers, okay, but there's 4 there now, so that doesn't work. They just switched to 4. So yeah, a lot of guys that are getting on right now. The weekend stuff, there's a couple of people put some weird comments there about what you guys wear AMC only here. No, we're not AMC only. I will do whatever I want on my own channel. I don't like people telling me what to do. By the way, and I know it wasn't any of you guys, but we will do what we want. We are wolves, and we don't get told what to do by other people here. We have very strong backs, and we're very vicious people. We will attack you. Okay, that's what we're doing right now, attacking hedgies. So the bottom line is school on weekends, okay, unless there's something frigging very, very exciting and then I got to get out there, which is very rare, okay. The other thing is it's education on weekends, right? During the week, it is like this until I get back to work, okay? I'll be starting at work at this time in the morning, okay? So I will not be covering the stock during the day, guys. I'm sorry. But I will be doing it as soon as I get home from work. I'll be doing a recap. So it's the same thing. You just got to watch the stock. Just download Webull and watch this stuff, okay? I'm not going to leave you guys hanging. I got my phone with me in the pocket. If when that baby squeezes, you're getting your message, man. No matter what, I'm an excavator, machine operator. I run rock truck and all that stuff, right? So yeah, that's bottom line. So that's what you'll be getting. I have alarms set everywhere, man. I have a flat screen right in my machine, right there. I'm watching the market all day. So I have indicators set everywhere, like on 4 different things. Like I got 2 on my cell phone, 1 on Webull. I got my computer, my server link for it. So don't worry about it. You guys will get your message. And I actually might pre-record a video and have it ready so I just have to launch it. Okay? That's what I'm going to do. That's a good idea. Yeah. So I'll make a couple second video, like 15, 20-second video, just enough to say SOS, squeeze, okay? And then there'll obviously be another one on the other side that we're actually coming down the ladder, okay? You have to remember this isn't going to like be an hour where it goes up and down, crash, it's all over with. It could be potentially weeks. It could potentially be 3 weeks. It's happened before. It could only be a couple days, okay? Just take your sell limits off, guys, on the upper end. You do not want to be all of a sudden get a message saying that you sold and you didn't. The platform sold for you because you won't be able to get back in. Well, you can, but it's going to cost you a friggin' fortune. The bottom end, I can't tell you what to do, and I can't tell you what to do on the top end, but I don't have it set on the bottom at all. I never do on any stocks, right? But that's gambling. This is gambling, guys. This is gambling. Got a lot of people here, guys. Thanks, guys. Guess you're all just starving for education today, right? It's nothing wrong with that. It's all good, my friends. Wow. 200 people on Reddit right now. Holy shit. Do. Wow. I can't get over this, how good this is going today. Okay, Anyway, you guys can send me, that's the thing. Up in the corner here, up on my chart there where it says AMC above where my videos coming through. I do post stuff up there. It like funny stuff. If you want to send me a GIF, okay, I will post that stuff. If you guys got some hilarious ones, I do got to go through them and screen them. So if it's like hardcore or something like that, like pornographic, obviously pornographic stuff, I can't post. But if it's anything like hilarious, yeah, I can post that stuff for you, and I will actually give it. I'll actually, if you want me to add your name to it, I can. I'll just say this is from fellow wolf. Do. You know what I mean? So it's up to you what you want to do, right? And I love memes, man. It's just little things to laugh at, right? It just keeps things going. I had one the other day. I'll put it up there. I'll put it up there on Power Hour if I remember. It's pretty funny. Okay. Wow, man. See what I mean? We built that new line of resistance here. It's going to take a little bit. It's harder for them to smash down, man. Now it just keeps on bouncing off that line of resistance here. Like, look how many times it's hit. We got 2 times back in here. Look at this right here. Boom. Okay, we probably have further back lots, but I'm not going to go way back there because that's redundant. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 times it's tried. It's 4 times that we got that line there, right? So we got 2 back here because that was a resistance level. Now it's a support level. Okay, it's switched. It can switch. Yeah, it's see, it never even made it down there yet, and it's on its way back up. Yeah, we're doing good, man. This is where we're at perfect amount of volume right now. We can always use more. Like there's no such thing as not too much volume. It's stupid thinking like that. Not that I'm calling anybody stupid. Well, maybe if you think like that. I'm just joking. Yeah, and you'll get my sense of humor too. Like I said, we're a very new channel. Like we're only like 38 days old, and it's all to you guys. You savage wolves, you. Which is good. Good. Yeah, so as soon as we hit over 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribes, we'll have a merch store, man. I've already got all our logos done. You'll be able to get some of your nice Wolfpack t-shirts. You'll be able to get some coffee cups, cell phone covers. Yeah, we'll have some cool stuff on there. I might even put my own stuff in there instead of buying it from another. We'll see. Definitely some hoodies and rocking some shorts out and stuff, man. Right. So, right on. Thanks for the wolf. Linda. I like your name, man. That's awesome. Counterparts. That's cool, buddy. That's serious shit. Yeah, and I guess if we get some more emojis up there too, I don't know where you get. Well, there's a lot of programmers. If one of you are programmers, either on Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, or YouTube, because we're all hooked up together. If any of you have any know how to make emojis, hey man, get some serious walls with some teeth and shit showing here, man. Or even copy. I give you permission to copy our logo if you want. You can, any of you can copy that logo. It's copyrighted, but just it's branded. Actually, it's not copy. It's branded. It's our brand. But you can do whatever you want to it. Okay, like not without defacing it, obviously. But yeah, if you want to put it on a make it into animated, you can. Okay. AMC Entertainment Holdings, ticker symbol AMC. We are sitting at $14.17. We are 9.20%, 25% in the green right now. We bounced off that line of resistance again. It didn't even touch it. It can't even get close to it. Look at that. That's frigging nuts. We built a really good ground of support here. Shit. Wow. Let's check over. Doge has actually recovered a bit, eh? And we're not going to talk about Bitcoin. We don't do that stuff. I don't talk about Bloodcoin here on this channel, man. I am not impressed with all that stuff. Doge? Yes, I will talk about Dodge. Doji, Dodgy, Crouchy, Hudgy. Yeah, Doge, I don't... It's all right? It's our local stuff, so it's all good. Let's jump over to some GME here, guys. Whoa. What was that about? What was that about? Wow, okay, anyways, we lost our server here. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so I don't know what happened there. We went over to GameStop and went all stupid. Okay, are we on? We're on ticker symbol GME, GameStop. Okay, this is gonna squeeze too. I don't know when. I don't know the numbers on it. I don't really cover this in depth like AMC. I do a self-diagnostic right now on it. I'll diagnose this for you a bit and have a look here. I don't see anything going too crazy. Like, it's not going to go about it. I don't think it'll go above 10%. I could be wrong, but I don't see anything. We're not getting that much volume through here. We only have 1.42 million. It did go up the high of 171.45 though. I would have bought in this, and that's up to you what you want to do. I think it's a little bit late. Unless you're rich already, then you can gamble. If you like gambling, yeah, I'd jump on in. But I'd wait till, if it was me, I'd wait till a red day. That's a lot of money you're playing with, guys. And I would watch yourself. Same as any of this stuff. Watch yourself, okay? And I will not be sending any SOS stuff out on any other stocks. To be crystal clear here, I did not promise anything like that. That is only for AMC. That's our baby. Okay, not that I don't cover any other stocks. We're not just an AMC channel. We are every stock on the market. Canadian, American. I don't do any overseas. I do not recommend investing in any Chinese stocks. None. Okay? You will lose your money. They can change the laws. Your money is not in Canada or the States. It is over there. If you're buying NIO, I would buy it through, if I don't know if you could, because I've never bought it before, but if you can buy it through the market here, if that's what you want to do, I'd buy it through here. Don't be doing over forex exchange and stuff, guys. You will get screwed, okay? And if they want to switch the laws or do whatever they want to do, they do what they want in China, okay? The government controls, and they're very different. Let's put it that way. I'm not going to sit here and be, well, I won't even go down the race avenue because not being it. But anyways, I just don't want to be vindictive on other countries. But even though we got the COVID and everything, but that's just my own opinion, and I'm not smashing anybody here. So there's NIO right there. Yeah, so I'd watch myself on those ones. So let's jump into some Sundial. SNDL. Sundial Growers Inc. is setting at 73.97 and it's 4.68. This, if you're holding it and you're holding long, stick with it. I would not be buying this right now. I would stay away from this. Okay? Sundial is one of our companies up here in Canada, and they did buy a bunch of stuff. They are buying everything up. They are smart with their money, but as I say, it goes up higher. Yeah, or if you want to sell this, now would be your time to get out when it jumps up higher. You can actually flip this if it goes up higher, but I wouldn't be buying in it. It's going up too high. This stock, this is probably the longest. It's probably been a while since it's been up this high. Okay, I just seen some weird stuff happen with this stock, and it is a Canadian stock too, so I'm not smashing it. I just be careful with yourself. That's all I'm saying on this. Okay, I don't want anybody hurt anybody's feelings. But if you're on this long, just pick anyone out, and depends on price range what you're at. Now is probably a good time to get out. Okay, look at this. Okay, this won't last forever. Okay, I'm just giving you guys heads up on that. Okay, because look at the past history. This stock is not worth what they say it is. Okay, like look, if you go back here, like look at the pattern. It doesn't get any higher than that, man. Look at that. Look at that. That's the same number. And that was, look at that. That was back on like day. It just doesn't add up. Like, look at. That's pretty scary, man. Pretty friggin' scary. So you're getting back to the same ranges back, way back there. You might want to sell. Okay? Get the hell out of it. Go put your money in AMC or something useful. Okay? I'm not telling you what to do. And sorry if I hurt anybody's feelings. Actually, I'm not going to apologize. No, we're wolves. Other wolves don't turn around to a wolf. Oh, hey, can I clean your nails? I'm just joking. I feel bad. Can I clean your nails for you? Can I lick your face? No, I'm just joking. I'm just being stupid. But anyways, yeah. Back to the baby cakes. Let's go back to baby cakes over here. There she is. There she is. Oh, 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 oh. She crushed her line of support a bit. So we're testing new levels. I guess now that's that, eh? Right there. Oh, no. Right there, I guess. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Even when this thing's squeezing, you guys are going to see wave action, okay? And that's when you buy in your dip. Okay? If you're going to double down, triple down, okay, that's when you want to do that. Right? Is on the red on the slopes. Oh man. Oh, if you haven't seen that, there's that's what it looks like, right to the bone, man. That was a couple days ago when I was doing some yard work. We have two little palm dogs, and my wife bought this gate thing, these little gate thing. I was taking it apart. It was all in like you snap these plastic things apart, and I guess we bought it used. It was like $20 or something. I try to save my money. I try to save my money, and I put all my money into stocks. Right, that's what I do. I keep on adding to my portfolio. That's the only way to get rich, man, is just keep on hammering. Just keep on hammering, but do your DD on what you're buying, man. Like, I got stung too, man. We did that a couple of videos. I showed you about how you can lose 30 grand, just boom, and how you can make it back, right? I have stocks that are down 4 or 5 grand that are sitting there, but I did my DD. I know that stock in the next year or two, it's going to go and level back up. Same as AMC. If you bought it right now, it sits at this range to $20. There's past history on that. That's what you want to check out when I say check the news. That's what I mean. That's what the wolf pack means. Okay, do your research. Like, I know that this stock, no matter what, I'll recover my money back. And I think we're paying a dividend. Like, when they get back to normal, they're going to be paying a dividend. I will never sell all my stock on this, just so you know. I will keep a little bit of cheese in there, man. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of cheese in there, okay? Because it adds to your portfolio. It just looks good, right? And you're for the cause. Why would you? The rules on trading for CS Trades 101. BTU is on your watch. Yeah, BTU is on your watch list. Okay, I'll check that out in a minute here. Actually, we got time. Okay, we're AMC, ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings, which is a movie chain. If you just jumped online here on our server, on our channel, $13.88. She has pumping the volume through here today. We've had a little bit of a slope. We're having a little bit of consolidation here, a little bit of a sell-off, which don't sell, guys. That's not a sign. It's called wave action. We need this to go up, okay? So, you got rejected, you bastard. Did you see that? You just got rejected. It tried slamming it. It tried slamming that, man. Just got rejected. Double rejected. It's fighting. We need some more volume in here, guys. Shit. Nothing to worry about. When I say shit, it's just me talking out loud. It's not, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Like I said, if we can get over that $14 range and hold that, like at the end of the day, we got power hour, man. That's where the shit matters. Like this, all this through the day is just, it's irrelevant. Of course, it builds a foundation for us to go. But if we get like up and downs, and it closes at like above 14.33, that's what we want. No, we want above 14.38. Then that would set a new high for the day. Would be perfect. Okay, so we got Kat. Good morning. How you doing, girl? How you doing? I was hoping to see you here this morning. Yeah, we're doing good. We've already got a lot. We've already discussed a lot today. Yeah, we had a lot going on. It was we're doing good though. We're doing really, really good on AMC today. Say BTU. Okay, we had a couple different ones here. You're gonna have to be more clear on that. Is it this one right here? Can you see? You can see where that's lit up on the screen, right? BTU Metals, or is it BTU? Well, there's two different ones. BTU Metals, Toronto Stock Exchange. Yeah, you're Canadian like me, right? So is it one of our stocks up here? Just be more clear. Thank you. And I'll try to help you out on it. And we also are going to have Power Hour, guys. If you've seen my, if you see my notifications come out. I was having problems. I'm sorry about the one last night, and then all of a sudden it started like 2 in the morning. I hit the wrong button. I went to close a tab and it hit launch. And I'm sitting here. Good thing I wasn't picking my nose or something, eh? Just joking. But yeah, I was sitting here and all of a sudden I look up and the thing's, it's on live. It says live feed. It's flashing around me. Oh, okay, no big. What the heck? What's going on here? So all you guys that had your alarm clock or your reminder set, that screwed you. Because then I had to reset and then nobody wanted to. I was like, oh man, a lot of people are going to be pissed at me. But no, it's American. It's the American one. That's the ticker symbol? BTU? I'm not getting it here. Do you see it on my screen right here at all? Can you just tell me if it's 1, 2, 3 level down? Like, where are you seeing this? Peabody Energy. Oh, right here. Ah, I got it. Okay. We got it. Don't worry about it. Oh, sorry. Okay. Where do you find... Oh, come on. Okay, what is going on with me today? Okay, sorry about that, Wolfpack. You gotta love electronics, eh? Okay, where do you find all these? Oh, you're into the energy. This is wow. Look at you. That's on your watch list. You're. This isn't. That's on your watch list. You own in this? Kat, do you own in this? Yeah, she's pumping, eh? This looks like a pump and dump here to me. Oh fuck yeah. Oh yeah. Watch yourself. Watch yourself on this stock, guys. I would not be buying in right now. Okay, just Cat's onto something here, but I'd be buying on a red day. Don't buy something in the positive right now. Even if it jumps up and you're like, oh man, you even said to buy in 20s. I'm just doing, this is what I would do. You do what you ever want to do. It. Money's hard to come by nowadays, man. You don't want to get yourself into a trap here. Volume is already past the daily limit. Yeah, no shit it is. They've already turned... Oh, they got a lot of shares out. Their company has a lot of shares, man. 6%. No, just found it today? Okay. I'm going to put that on my ticker symbol. Thank you. We'll have something to watch here. I just want to watch this. I'm going to make this little project of mine. So tomorrow when we'll check it out, or we'll check it out during the... Was it BTU? You said, yeah. Peabody Energy. So it's an energy sector. I'm going to look at this and do some... Actually, we can do it right now. Okay, I'm just going to look at what's AMC over here. Okay, we're setting to the same thing, guys. So we are going to... Actually, no, I'm not going to mess with this screen. Last time I did that, the whole thing crashed. And then, yeah. We're just going to leave this alone. What I will do is over the night, I'm going for tomorrow or maybe after break when I go for my breakfast and stuff before Power Hour. What I would like to do is, oh yeah, Kat, what we were talking about before, you know what I'm talking about, just me and you. You can actually do that right after I'm off of here if you want, if that's easier for you. You can just answer yes or no. I know what you're talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Or you can do it after Power Hour. That's up to you. Your little secret stock is Root. You want me to check that out? My little secret stock is Root. Okay. Root, like the clothing company Root, right? Ah, why is with this? Ooh. Okay. Let's check some stuff out here. $9 down. It was a good buy day today if you're going to buy on it. Not that much volume goes through this. So this thing could potentially go up really high fast. Or go down low fast. So what do we got here? What's this sitting at here? $9? So she sits around the $9 range. $9, eh? Ah, doesn't go that much. There's not... Well, you could paper hand this one, I guess. Is that what you do? Do you just, Michael, do you just paper hand this? You bet. Okay. Okay, Kat. Whatever's easier for you, girl. Whatever's... Just give me heads up so I know. Okay? I'm not going to be on here too long, guys. But I'm going to jump back over to Root here. It looks like a paper hander. You could make some money on this actually, if you're in the $2-3 range, back and forth, like what I do with the COVID pill. The COVID pill, which one's that again? Just because it's ticker symbol AEZS. Okay, it's a COVID pill. It's low. Oh shit, frig. Yeah, if it was me, I'd be buying this right now. Don't screw yourself at AMC. And Cat, stay away from this for now. Okay, just what I would do is this is a good one because it goes up to like $2. So what I do is I buy it, right? I sell 3/4 of it. Oh, the CS Trades 101 rule, Wolfpack. You never, ever, ever sell your whole stock out on anything. Okay, unless you know the company's going bankrupt or something like that. You think it might squeeze this one? Short percentage. Yeah, I noticed that 3.32. I was looking at that. It could. Yeah, it could. Do you have stake in this? Do you own a lot of shares? I just would definitely like the COVID pill. Trying to get sidetracked. It goes up. It goes up like the COVID pill. Interna Zartaz. Sorry, it's one of those Greek spelling things. So what I do is never sell 3/4. You just keep it in the pot. You keep a quarter in, and then you have a quarter. You build a portfolio. You have a quarter here, quarter, and you can always double down on this stuff as it goes, right? But you've already got your you've got it initiated. You already got it all hooked up to your bank, and it's easier to add to, right? So that's what I do, and I built this huge portfolio over here. Look at this. Oh, except the Bitcoin and stuff. I have that up there because not that we do Bitcoin on here. The only thing I'll really get into is Doge. Okay, Dogecoin. Okay, so I just keep track of it because I wanted to see that sell off and how I just crunch numbers and figure stuff out, right? So no shares. I put it on nail and say, good for you, man. Invest in Root afterwards. Yeah, no, there's nothing wrong with looking at that, but just this is I thought what I do is on my stuff. This is what I do. I have to watch what I say here. For instance, the COVID. I like to tell stories. When I tell a story on here, it's my way of saying whatever the story, the thesis of the story, the moral of the story, what the end of the story is what I believe in. Okay, so if I tell you a story and it's like, oh, I bought this and I would buy this and I bought this, but I didn't do good. Obviously, don't buy it. But if I say they did a story, oh yeah, you could make a lot of money on this, and I would buy. Obviously, you know it. You can read between the lines, guys. Okay. Our laws are a little bit different up here in Canada. You can get your ass sued. Okay, it's called misleading and it's called coercing somebody into doing something they don't want to do. Okay, it's highly illegal. Okay, guys, I'm gonna jump off of this because Reddit's just going crazy right now to get back onto AMC. Sorry, guys. Because they'll start talking and people want to see the ticker charts, right? Because a lot of people don't have the ticker charts or they can't get it because they're on the phone or because you can't look at two things at once, right? A lot of people do this on the, they're at work. They're supposed to be working and watching our channel. That's awesome. Wow, our subs have gone through the roof here, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I mean, like people watching right now, we got 7 or 8 on here now, which is good. I have some people to talk to. But we need to get that new software probably in a month or so here. But like I said, I'm going to be going back to work. I'm not going to be doing this during the days, guys. So like soak this up as much as you can. I will be doing later at night when I get home, about 6 or 7 at night. I'll be sending my broadcast out. Okay. Or I might get up 3 in the morning and do a like a 5-minute pre or a 10-minute or 6-minute pre or something like that in the morning. Okay, got a sign right here, man. Not man, ladies and gentlemen too. Sorry, Kat. I think you're the only lady on here. So this is a sign that we're gonna have a good run here. Okay, that's 3 crows. Okay. Right here, they turned in a positive followed by a negative. That was 3 crows. That's a sign of a sell-off. But then we had a crossover. We had the MA cross of the EMA, which is a sign of buy. Okay? And then we're having it the opposite way, right? Hang on. Yeah, that's the... So hang on, I can't see the friggin' thing. Yeah. What do we got here? Yeah. See, those are buy signals. That one's that the blue over top of the purple is bad. Okay. You want the other way around. Okay. I hang on. I'm having problems this morning. It's been a long night. You want the blue over top of the purple. It's fighting for us, man. It's fighting, fighting, fighting. Okay. So if you guys are gonna buy, what I recommend is down. If you're using Webull, to put these two indicators in there. Okay. I always have them in there. It's just a guideline, but it could save you from buying, or hopefully you're not selling, but it's just you only get like a half a second, but enough to push that button could save you like depends how much money you have in, right? If you have 10 grand in on that could save you like a couple $100 just within seconds, right? Or more than that. What if it bleeds, right? This stock won't bleed though, right? We did have a bit of a bleed here, but that's not a bleed. It bleeds all reds. So yeah, the plot. This would have been three crows, okay, which is not good. That would be bearish. Your little bit of education. A little bit of education. A little bit better than last time, eh? Remember I was dropping frames, I was getting backfeeding. Oh man, what a nightmare with this software. Oh, I had to geek out. I had to turn into a geek, more of a geek, right? So just to learn this stuff, I had to geek out, man, for like 3 hours trying to figure all this out. What do we got going on here? Oh, there we go. Too bad you can't lock the screen somewhere. Oh, I'm in a rough sleep here last night. Okay. Oh, you guys are a little bit quiet this morning, guys. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Drop me a chat. What do you want to talk about? Ask me something. How's the weather? Where are you from? Where are you guys from? What city are you guys from? Right? I'm from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Do 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 do. I'm just gonna check out some Loop Energy here. I bet you it's halted. No, they didn't halt it yet. This is a hydrogen company. Water. They use water to power their vehicles. It's replacing diesel engines. It's out of Chilliwack, British Columbia, Vancouver, whatever. Um, I would like to buy this, but really small shares. Like if you were to dump 10 grand on this, you this. It's illegal to do, but if a guy wanted to pump this stock, you could do it easy. 15 people could pump this to the moon. 15 people. I would not do it to a company like, I wouldn't do it at all. We don't do that on this channel, but I was saying there's assholes, or not even assholes, but if you were to buy, like, if you were a millionaire and you went and bought like 100,000 of these shares, that's what rich people do. That's how they get richer. They'll buy a stock. You could drive this thing up at least 25-30% and then sell out and keep on doing that all day long, making money on this because it's so the volume. Like, look at this, 3 months, only 70K. Like, that's insane. Like 100 grand would buy you that shares right there in a full 3 month. You know what I mean? But that's why this thing. I do want to own this because if they get a contract with, like, say the government or something like that for like buses or transit, this is going to be worth gold. Same as BlackBerry, man. BlackBerry's a good stock. They just signed a whole bunch of new contracts with CPP. They do now. They're into security, some of the best security in the world. Missouri. See the Ghost, Kansas City, Missouri. Good, congrats, right on. You're a long ways from us, but awesome. Thanks for tuning in. I like your name. You guys got some cool names, man. You got some cool names out there. I used to call myself the Wall Street Undertaker, eh? When I first started the job, I was like, that's not good. But I didn't have a channel then, right? I was just on Reddit. And that's when I got all this started, Reddit. I was on Reddit. And a couple guys asked me, they're like, you know quite a bit about stocks. Like, how are you making all this money? You know when to pull in and pull out. And I said, whoa, whoa, whoa. Most of it's luck, and it's just educating yourself on numbers and crunching numbers. And that. And just, I've been doing this for years, but not to this degree. And these stocks nowadays it's not normal. This is very versatile. AMC, GME, and BlackBerry, not much BlackBerry anymore. Those stocks, this is not normal trading action. This, if you're new to this, it's not like this. This is not the real frigging world right now. After this is done with these no laws. Oh, those new laws that came, I told you I did. It doesn't really affect, it's more for trading clearinghouses like Citadel and places like that they have to be able to show their shares and what they've traded like right as soon as the SEC asks for the stuff, it has to be submitted. Okay, they have to submit they have to show a paper trail where all these shares and stuff are going. So pretty much it's screwing them. Okay, so it doesn't affect us retail. It's in our favor. They're trying to get rid of, so it's easier to do. Right on. Sorry, just a friend from work there. Hi, Gavin. How you doing, buddy? Obviously, you're watching me. So yeah, keep it real, bro. He's probably at work. Good guy. He's a welder. I used to be a welder before. So, anyways, yeah. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so that it affects us, but it doesn't affect us personally. Like, so I just watched this thing suspend. So the problem with this one, they suspend it all the time. I would like to kick this guy right in the nuts. The guy that is on the stock market, the Toronto Stock Exchange, that is on the floor, that is actually halting this. These aren't breaker halts. He's suspending it personally. The guy, when it goes down, starts tanking, he'll suspend it. And and that's not good. It scares a lot of people away from this, man. Like, I don't even want to buy it because I've actually called them 3 times not in person. They won't let me talk to them. Right. So, anyways, they won't let me talk to him for some reason. Probably because I'll tear a strip off him. But okay, back to AMC. I got all these stocks on here from following you guys. Did I delete AMC? What? No. Okay, come on. I don't know what's with this platform nowadays. A lot of people are on it probably. That's probably the problem. Okay, so AMC's at ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings. Yeah, we're doing this, guys. We've had a little bit of downplay. We're still doing awesome. No fearage at all. And I don't fear on this stock at all because it's gonna squeeze. It is. Yeah, it is. It's inevitable. It has to. $13.85, 88 cents, 86 cents, 84 cents, 86 cents. We're a positive 6.71 in the green, and we are doing a beautiful thing today. It's doing so beautiful. We got a cup forming here. It could turn into a handle, it's called a cup and handle. We could. I don't know. Like, I can't read that far into it. I'm not that good, guys, but I can just go off the indicators, right? So it's a good sign right here. That's called a spin top. Okay, we got a small body. Okay, that is a signal. Okay, that's a buy signal. This thing's gonna have red days too. Okay, guys. When this is because it's a very versatile stock, it's gonna have red days. Okay, on our squeeze. Even in the middle of a squeeze, we're still going to have red days. Kat is from Toronto. Right by the Toronto Stock Exchange. Can you go over there and kick the guy in the nuts that deals with Loop Energy out of Chilliwack? Please? I'll give you some free AMC stocks. I'm just joking. I'm joking. Joke. Not joking about kicking him in the nuts, but about giving stuff away. I can't bribe people like that on the channel. I shouldn't even joke like that. But obviously, Kat, you've talked to me before. You know I'm a joker, and that was my other name when I was in school and stuff. They used to always call me Joker. Joker. Do. I'm going to replace something here for you. I'm going to pop one of these off here. I'm going to replace this symbol for you. Just bear with me. Just go ahead and just watch the chart. I'm just going to be monkeying around here. Thanks for the thumbs up, guys. I appreciate that. And we had a couple of subscriptions while we were launched here this morning. Thanks, guys. Welcome to the Wolf Pack. I don't want to pull your names up right now, but you know who you are. I might crash the system here. I do have two computers running, 2 cell phones running. We got 3 monitors. We're working on a 65-inch TV to go up above all of these curved screens up here. I want to be able to watch the live news hour. Oh, and by the way, I sell Android boxes too. You know those little TV boxes? You get over like 100,000 stations on them, and they're only $215 Canadian. And you can get everything on them, stock market, everything. And we sell those too. So if you are interested, you can always drop me an email, cstrades101@gmail.com, and we ship worldwide. They work anywhere in the world. It saves the average person every 10 years about $20,000. You do not need cable. You can just use your Wi-Fi or internet. We do have our own app store. I built my own app store, so you can download and fix the box yourself. You do not need to send it in like the old times with these Android boxes to get rebooted. That's history. Anyways, enough about that. I just want to pump my own stuff. No, I just like to help people out and get ahead in this world. That's why I built that business too, is to educate people. So anyways, let's get into here. We're going to change that picture. Just play her with me. Where was that? That was funny. I seen something here the other day. Where was it? It's to do with you might would have seen it before. Where'd it go? Oh, don't tell me it's... Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, here it is. Isn't that hilarious? Isn't that hilarious? It's Doge, man. It's Doge if you haven't seen that. I just think, see, that's what I meant. You guys can send me this stuff. Just email it to me at cstrades101@gmail.com. And if you want to make something up, you got you computer programmers out there, because I know there's probably a lot watching right now, especially on Reddit. You guys can send me some memes and GIFs, whatever you want to pronounce it. I think us Canadians pronounce it different than the Americans. But yeah, you can send me those things. I love them. And I'll put it up there. And actually, if you want me to put your to you, if you made it, if you branded it as your brand, I'll actually mention your name for you, just out of respect and stuff. Okay, like that's hilarious, man. Even we don't sponsor Bitcoin on here. Doji, yeah, we don't get into it that much, but okay. Yeah, it's a weird day today. We got a lot of green, but we got a lot of red too. It's a split market today. It looks like everything except what Kat had there for energy sector. It looks like all the energy sectors are on the low today. Suncor Energy is at $28.63, 1.81 in the green percentage. And if that's Canadian, our energy sector, if nobody knows that, we do cover that stuff, but we're not into it like this because of AMC, and that stuff just fluctuates. That's just an energy sector. I don't know what's going on with that company that Kat was talking about there. I'm going to be digging. Ticker symbol BTU, Peabody Energy. I'm going to be digging on news on that. I'm very curious on that. That's a big movement for the day. Somebody could have made some good money on paper handing that. But don't go and buy it, Wolfpack, right now. Right now. Like, you do whatever you want, but if it was me, I wouldn't be buying that right now. It's too high. It's too high, and I don't know why it went up that high. Do you know why? Because I've done that before, and I've lost almost all my money on that one. Not all my money, but on that, the amount that I put on that. I put, like, say if I put $5,000 on that, which I've done, and it goes down to like nothing, and you only have $1,000 left in it hurts, man. And I still have 4 accounts. I still 20 grand behind in one trader's account from that stupid crap like that. And I'm pretty sure you guys have done the same thing, and you hate looking at those accounts, even opening them up and looking at them. But one of them, I don't know if we'll recover. I think I pretty much wasted my money, but I've made it back in other areas, right? That's called learning trader curves. You want to look. What I didn't do was I didn't look at the past history. I didn't look at the news. I didn't pull back the chart. I didn't, at $8. Yeah, I know. I'm looking at the corner of my screen. I got it right here. Right here. I'm watching now the corner. I just don't want to flip off this, but yeah. Or actually, frig it. Whatever. Yeah, I know it's at $8, 22%. I was looking at the corner of my eye. That's what I was talking about. So yeah, I'd watch this though, because this isn't, I don't like that. I don't like that right here. It's gone up too fast. Like something's happened here. And I don't want to pull the news. I will get back to you on that at Power Hour if I remember. Yeah, something's happened there. I don't know. It could be anything. It could be anything. They could have expanded their... I'm not going to talk about stuff that I don't know information about. But I'll start doing some digging on it. Okay, we're on ACM Entertainment Holdings for people that just started the channel. I know a bunch of people have just logged on. And we are sitting at Entertainment Holdings AMC. We're sitting at $13.83. If I say the symbol backwards like ACM, that's me, my dyslexic. I'm an old silver wolf here, so I do screw up. And I have had problems with that my whole life. That's where I'm good with numbers. See, I'm people that are dyslexic like that, I don't know what you call that, but people that are messed up like that usually are smarter than other areas. So I can prove that. So like I might mess up on things like that, or if I type things backwards, just bear with me, guys. I'm not 100% here, man. I try, and I try to help you guys out, right? But I do screw up, and if I do mess up, guys, confront me, but in a nice way. Just say, hey, man, I think you're wrong on that, or hey, somebody else is saying it's a different way or something. I like to learn. I don't know everything, and if I learn the wrong thing and I'm passing the wrong knowledge off, you guys got to tell me, man. Like, don't just let me look like an idiot, right? I'm here. I'm trying to lead you guys into a good way, right? We're one big team. And sorry about the bad comments. A couple bad comments came up the other days about me trying to pump my channel, and then about the SOS signal that I was going to put out because I wasn't clear on the exact date and the exact time. And yeah, it looks like a pump to me, Kat. That's why I said I'll do some digging, right? It could be one of those Reddit, or not Reddit, sorry. It could a Discord pump, okay? Stay like the Bitcoin pumps they do. Stay the frig away from those things, man. You'll lose your shirt. Okay, they would not want, they'll cash out and then tell you 10 minutes later after all their friends did, and you'll be holding half the bag or all of it with nothing in it. Okay, watch that. Okay, because they're going to look out for their friends first. Okay, you have to, they're not going to tell you. They don't even know you. They don't care about you. They just want your money to pump the stock. So anyways, irrelevant. About the messages there, sorry about that. I tried deleting some of them as fast as I could get on. Some people were bad-mouthing other people about comments they said. That is not acceptable on this channel. Those people are banned for life. Okay, I got their IP address. I can go beyond YouTube. Okay, I have software. I can find out. I'm not going to tell you what I can find out. Just put it this way. They're not going to be contacting around this channel again unless they have a different phone or something, or a different IP address. Okay, I do not put up with that stuff. It's bullying, and there's a big problem with that in the world, and it upsets a lot of people. A lot of people have a lot of money, and they're not into bullshit on here. We want factual information, and we're as a team. We work together, and we're trying to accomplish one thing: to get rich. Okay, that's all there is to it. We're all in it for money, right? You can say whatever and think whatever you want. I'm in it for money. I'm in it not to pump a stock. I'm in it to do it legally and make money. Okay, this is a movement that I'm in. Okay, this is why the channel started, and because there's a lot of false information going around there and a lot of pumping and dumping. I don't go on here and go buy this stock because it's on my portfolio. Buy. You never heard me say that once. Freak out and start buy like half these guys do. Okay, I don't do that. I don't need the money like that. Like, that's not cool, man. I'm a Christian, and that's not, I don't want to, that's a sin, man. That's bad. Okay, I might as well just go to your bank account and start fucking skimming off your bank account, right? I'm joking. I got to say that now because there's a lot of weak-skinned people. Not on this channel, but I think I got rid of most of them there with the comments they were posting and stuff. Yeah, I got into it with a couple people behind the scenes there on messaging and stuff. I don't know if you guys seen it. Hopefully not, because it wasn't cool, man. It was disrespectful to all of us on here. But yeah, I guess that was when I do want to correct something though. When I made that last video about when I'm going to be putting signals out when this thing does squeeze and when I notice that there's starting a sell off, just give you guys a heads up on what I'm doing. And when I sell, I'm going to be selling in live. I'm going to be pushing the sell button live. Okay, and it might go up even higher, but this is what I'm doing. You guys can do whatever you want. I don't care if I make $1 million and I lose a couple $100,000. That's frigging peanuts to me, man. Because most of my money's being donated, but we'll look up for the best interest, right? But you're not going to hit it on exactly the exact second and make the exact before it goes down. It's impossible. Okay, nobody knows, but this thing is going to go up. It's not going to go up and down in 15 minutes and it's all over. This could potentially take up to weeks. Okay, it's going to go up in different stages. It's going to go on and on and on. And sorry, I'm not talking to you directly on the camera. I got so many monitors now and I used too many things going on here. So, SM. I will 1 second. I just want to, because I'll get sidetracked here. We got a little bit of down action here. What we want to do is not go below this right in here. These two levels. Actually, hang on a second. Yeah, that one right there. It's tested twice. Yeah, that's what it doesn't matter if it does. This isn't the bag, guys. Like we're doing so good. Like these bad days. This isn't a bad day. I gotta watch what the frig I say. When we do have a bad day, they're not bad days. Because if you look at the overall chart, like look at this. If you look at the overall chart, even down here, it looks like, oh man, this is a bad. It's not, because you have to look at the past history. And I could go back further if I want to bump it to like days. But if you look and you draw a line from this all the way down here and you calculate the percentages on and divide it. Or subtract, sorry, that number from that number, subtract. That's your overall what you've gained over that amount of time from the hours or days to days or hours and hours. That's how you figure that out. We will be getting to that further in the schooling classroom time. So anyways, I want to get back to that. So I guess I made a comment about, oh, hey, you guys with your other channels over there, why don't you bring your friends over here? I never meant like unsubscribe on the other channel and come subscribe on my channel. I meant come over here, check it out, right? Like, so that's common sense, but I guess there's some weak-skinned people out there. I don't know how that got turned around, but I'm just I just don't want to hurt people's feelings or anything like that. And I know the people that have these other big channels, I talk to some of them and of course they know that I'm not meaning that, right? We're a new channel and I'm not over here trying to drag over subscribers. All I'm specifically saying is if I don't have your subscription when I send out an SOS to sell or that we're in a squeeze, how am I supposed to get a hold of you? Right? You're just screwing yourself out of money. And I don't really care, right? Because if you can't push a button to potentially make yourself $1 million or whatever, potentially millions, we don't know how high this will go. It is going to break records, okay? It is going to break records. And no, I don't want a bunch of people selling their stocks on other stuff to come buy AMC. That is up to you. And if you're minus like 30, 40% on other stocks, don't shoot yourself in the foot and take a loss like that. Please don't do that. That's up to you. That I don't like. I have stocks that I'm like down like $4,000 on out of 5, right? And it is what it is. You just got to sit there and really soul search, okay, guys? So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Okay, we're on ticker symbol AMC. We're at $13.76, $6.02 or six. See what I mean about saying things back? That's me. Because I have ADD. I'm too hyper. I'm like trades. Us two on a collab, both of us talking together. Oh, man. Oh, two hyper guys going off. So anyways, $13.75. AMC Entertainment Holdings, ticker symbol. We are at 5.86%, not dollars. We have traded a substantial amount today. A little bit slower than the other day, but we're doing good. This is okay. we need more volume to pump this up a little bit more to get it to rip. But we're okay. Like if we get a couple percent today, a couple percent, that's huge. That's all we need. We don't need 10s and 20s all the time. Okay. So we're volume right now as we speak. Market's been open for about an hour and a half. Okay, or an hour. Okay, 7, 8. Wow, time's flying. It's at 79 million shares have traded roughly. Okay, we've overturned 17.54% of the pot. That's the whole thing. That's trading back and forth. That is with ghost and synthetic shares in there too. You have to remember the share count's being done on the 2nd, but potentially a squeeze before, a week to a couple days before or after. Okay, I don't know. And that's another thing that people were upset about because I said, hey, I know when it's going to squeeze. Well, I do know when it's going to squeeze, right? It's going to squeeze before or after the 2nd, okay? And it's going to squeeze when I send you the text. I'm telling you when it's going to squeeze. So I don't know how they misconcepted that with that, okay? Cat. Okay, let's, I'm done blabbering now. So let's check out something else here. Wow, you're all over the place. You like stocks, eh? That's good. That's good. It's good, 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 good. I just don't spread myself too thin, right? That's why I only... Well, nope. I don't know why it does that. Stupid thing. Oakley dokley. Infrastructure. What is this? Is this a blockchain or something? I can't pull the news up on this because it'll crash. I had problems with that. I don't want to mess. I could do it. No, I can't. I'm running another server off this laptop here, so I can't do that. You're going to have to wait until I get my 65-inch, and then we could do that. But you want to throw that out there, Kat, what this is? Evolve transfer. I can't read the whole thing. Oh, my neck's killing me today. Okay, let's have a look here anyways. Ooh, ooh, stay the fuck away from this. Holy fuck. Holy shit. That's a pump. That is a frigging fucking pump. This is a Decord pump, isn't it? You got this off Decord. Somebody told you to look this up and to buy into it, eh? Yeah, this is a pump, guys. Stay the fuck out of here. Oh, sorry. Stay the hell out of here. I do want to get monetized by station one day. Okay, guys, stay away from this, please. Do not buy it. Wolfpack, don't buy this. Just stay away from this, okay? That's what I would do. This is what I would do. I'd stay the hell out. Ugh, cat hair, dog hair again. I was playing with my dogs this morning. If you did buy in, good. This is a good paper. You would have made some money. You paper hand it, but if you would have bought down here halfway up this tidal wave of hell, but I would watch that. I'd watch this. This is kind of good right here. This consolidation. These are good levels right here, and then up. But okay, well, let's check this out. I got to look into this a little bit more here. That's a lot of volume. We're almost matching the same amount of volume as AMC. Or no, sorry. Duh. No, we're not. No, we're not. But it's because it's cheap, right? And it was only, what, 68 cents? Yeah, let's look at a Bitcoin or something. Or not Bitcoin, M. Looks like we did 2 hours of news. There is 2 hours news. Oh, okay. Is this a blockchain, Kat? It looks like a blockchain or something like that. What I mean, crypto. When I say blockchain, crypto. It looks like it to me. I could be wrong. Like I said, I've not checked the news on this. But I would definitely, it's going up. It's going up fast. But I would watch yourself on this because it could crash. Like, it looks like it definitely looks like a Decord pump here. Looks like a bunch of people go together. What that is, I'll explain that to you. It's what you want to be aware of that. Sorry about my scratching my nose here. I just got 2 little Pomeranians, and it's that time of year where they're shedding. And my wife we just cleaned the whole house up yesterday, but it made all the stuff float around a little bit because we have hardwood floors in here, right? So enough about my house. But what happens is people get on Decord, right? And then they'll group together and they'll plan something for about 2 weeks down the road. And then they'll pump it. On a certain day, everybody will go in and buy. and it happens with companies, small little companies like pharmaceutical companies or metal companies or something like that, where they're not used to this, they're not ready for it, nobody even knows, and all of a sudden, slam, they'll just hit enough so the breaker, they won't trip the breaker, okay, the halt breaker, or they won't get halted. There's ways to do it. They know, they've been doing this for a while, or even if it hits a halt breaker to they halt it to cool it down, right? Oh, it's an EV company. What? Okay, could be legit. You said there's 2 hours of news on it. Good news on this, like on the actual news hour. If that's the case, it's legit. It's legit, guys. You do whatever you want with this, but you don't do it whatever you want. I don't. I would, if I was younger and I wasn't in on AMC, I'd dabble on this a bit maybe. I would not buy it on a day like today though. I'd wait for it to go into red. It will. Every stock cools off. Okay. Might build. It might go up to $5, and you're like, oh, what? Just you do your own deal. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm not telling you not to buy it. Okay. You just do your own homework on this. I did look into the numbers here, and what the hell? How can it overturn 135%? This thing's shorted to hell. It means that this thing's traded almost 100% of its stock plus more in 1 hour. Okay, that's why it's going up. So they don't have a high of they don't have that much shares out there. Okay, the problem with this, they have access to get more shares? Are they sitting on shares? If they're sitting on shares now and they dump them, this thing will tank. Okay. If I was the owner of this company, I'd do a little bit at a time. Right? Just a little bit at a time. Wow, we got a lot of people going through here. Thanks for the thumbs up, guys. Got a lot of people passing through here right now. Some are staying long or some are passing through. Yeah, I see the stats here. Thanks, guys. Welcome to the Wolf Pack. We're going to jump off here. Thanks, Kat, for that. That was awesome. Thanks for the good stuff here. You're opening a lot of people's eyes up. So we're on Entertainment Holdings, AMC. Okay, so we are at $13.73 and 5.80%. We are doing good. We're doing really good today. We had a little bit of a let go here. We let a little bit of the flood waters out. Nothing to worry about. Remember what I said? What I said. That's so beautiful. See, on normal stock, I'd be scared shitless if I seen that. I'd stay the frig away from this. If I seen that, I'd be like, whoa, that's not good, because what goes up fast goes down fast. But I know this stock, right? I've been following this like this is my baby. 4 months, no, 4.5 months, 4 months. And I got a substantial amount of money in here. Like, because we're Canadian, or I'm Canadian, it's really expensive for us to buy these stocks, right? Do. So yeah. What do we got here? $13 and I'm gonna set a line here. Oh, what's going on with my pencil today? Fucking thing. Piss me off. Sorry, guys. I'm having problems with this. I might have a lock on it. I'm just trying to draw a line across a horizontal line. So what I was trying to do is so I can explain it to you. If you have your chart in front of you, all I was trying to do is just put a line here, a resistance line, so I don't have to keep on looking up at it. Just for you guys to see it easier. I already know. And why does this chart keep on bumping up like this, man? There must be a way to lock this. Irritating stuff in the technology world. So yeah, man. Looks like a lot of guys are gonna be eating tendies for lunch here, eh? The tendies, the tendies. How is it through the mic? Is it okay? Do you want to just give me a yes or anything, a thumbs up? Is it when I'm talking the mic? Is it coming through to when I go yeah like that? Is it like hurt your guys' ears? The different ups and lows. I just need to know because I did some settings on my mic, and if it's like that, I can always turn it down a couple clicks. I just don't want to be hurting everybody's ears here. Because I can't tell on this end, right? So yeah, I like that. Definitely. What do we got here? Look at this, just leveling it. Okay, that's a good sign. We're going to start going up here in a bit. Oh, wow. Look at all the people buying compared to selling. Whoa, look at that. 48,681 shares at $13.65. Wow, that's a huge order. That's a huge order. It would have to go down. We don't want to see that because we don't want it to go down. But if it does, it's going to slam that back up. That's good. That's good to have in the basket. That's good to have in the basket. What the hell is this shit? Oh, fuck off. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. There's some crap here on fucking Dropbox. Fuck off. Fucking assholes. Sorry, I hate advertisement. I'm trying to rate you guys something, fucking asshole, piece of shit. Sorry for swearing, guys. Sorry. Sorry there's ladies on the line. I'm sorry, but this bullshit. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Are we still sitting at 666 for subs? That's a crazy number, guys. That's nuts. That is nuts. We are too. No. That could have been old. No, it went up. 667. Thanks for the extra subscription, whoever it was. That was kind of a little bit weird. Hey? I wonder who number 666 was on my sub list. That's beautiful. It's funny, actually. Hope you have a good day at work today, Gavin. Thanks for joining me today. Thanks for joining me today, brother, before you go to work. It's funny, actually. Okay. I just had to check some stuff there. Thanks for bearing with me, guys. Okay. So, AMC, ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings. We're sitting at $13.88. We are actually climbing up right now. We're at 7. Oh wow, we got a lot of volume coming in. I knew because that before I seen all those numbers down there that we were gonna get some those goddamn cats or dogs. Oh. So anyways, 7.0% on the rise as I speak, but that'll switch over. Come on. Yeah, we got a lot of volume coming in here right now. Not as much as the other day. If we had that same volume as the other day, hang on a second, guys. Might have to take this call. Just gonna mute this for a second. Don't you love spam? Don't you love it when you get a call and you can hear a bunch of kids and a whole bunch of stuff in the background? You know it's not a legit call. Oh, it's like Revenue Canada calling. You're $5,000 behind in your account. But yeah, they didn't even need to say that because I could tell it was spam just by a whole bunch of people talking in the back. Coming from Quebec, Canada. I don't speak French and I'm English. Why would you be calling me? Like, hello? Or it could be a catfish. That's the funniest thing. I get a lot of catfish on here. And if you guys don't know what that is, that's women looking for guys with money to screw over. Like to give them money. The first thing is, hey, can you send me some money? Like, who the hell are you? I get a lot of it on Facebook. It's hilarious. Delete, block for life. But yeah. Beautiful. I'm liking this. Do I got you off? Okay, good. I thought I had you muted still. Oh yeah, our volume's picking up here a bit. Yeah, we're getting a little bit more volume coming in here right now. Good, good. I would have liked to buy some more AMC, but I don't have any money to anymore. I bought so much AMC. I do not take a loan out to buy stock. That's just me, but I don't do that. Okay? I don't take loans out to do that. Okay, what time is it here? Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up here, guys. I'm on here a half an hour more than I said I was gonna be. But I'm gonna be waiting for Power Hour here. Okay. I'm gonna be waiting for Power Hour here. So, which is I'm coming on actually when I say Power Hour, I usually come on a half an hour before. Because I like to, if you have any questions or anything like that, I like to get out there and answer them for you and do a little bit of research. So if you guys want to, I'm gonna do some looking into Kat's little project there, Peabody Energy. So you do whatever you want, but I wouldn't be buying anything right now until I have a look at that stock. I just want to do and this other one, ticker symbol SNPMP. It's at 70 plus 74% right now. I want to have a little bit of a look into this stuff. You do whatever you want, but just watch out because if you buy something tomorrow, that could be down to like nothing and you could lose a lot of money. Trust me, I can show you 2 accounts and prove it to you. Okay. Kat, I'm free if you want to do what you know we're talking about. And guys, I'm signing out of here. Signing out of here, guys. Wolfpack, keep it real. Join me. I'll be on 11:30. There is a timestamp out there with you can actually log on and reserve where it will actually message you when my stream starts. Okay? You guys keep it real, Wolfpack, and it was a good day. AMC is doing beautiful today. We're going to close out. We're closing out right now at 8:21 in the morning. Market is not closing. We are shutting down our live stream till 11:30 today. And we'll be here a half an hour before Power Hour. We're going to rock this Wolfpack. Okay, we're at $13.92. Positive 7.09 in the green. That is ticker symbol AMC, Entertainment Holdings. Keep it real. And if you want to make yourself $10 free money to buy stocks, if you're thinking about opening up a trader's account or opening up a zero commission one, if you have one at the bank and they're charging you $10 a share, or $10 a purchase to buy and sell, you might want to think about a private broker. Okay? Zero commission. It is free to open. But to activate the voucher, you need to put $100 or more in that account. You can get yourselves $10 Canadian money. You can use that for buying stock. You can squirrel it away for a rainy day. I would personally buy shares with it because what good is the money sitting there doing nothing, right? In a trader's account. But that's my own opinion. Do your DD. I can't tell you what to do. Okay, you're the one that pushes the button, not me. Okay, and if If you want to hit the sub button, we do have schooling on the weekends. We do classes on the weekends. They're not live, but they're pre-recorded. You can learn yourself some stuff. And if it's not advanced for you, go back into our archives, back into our videos. It's under playlist, schooling, live stock charts, how to read stock charts. If you're more advanced, then just wait a week or so, because we're going to get there. Okay. And yeah, so there's the sub. And if you want the notification for when this thing's squeezing, I will be sending out a notification to give you heads up we're in a squeeze. And when I am selling, that's up to you if you're going to. When I think that it's time for Wolfpack to sell, that's myself, I will be sending out an SOS sell, as in the Wolfpack is selling. And I'll be doing it online. I'll be clicking the sold, cha-ching, and I'll be seeing potentially $1 million sitting in our account. Okay, keep it real. And I'll talk to you in a couple hours. Well, more than a couple hours, but I'll talk to you 11:30 today, Pacific Standard Time.